You're watching how to change your Facebook region settings. Open the Facebook website on a desktop or mobile browser. The option is more accessible on the full website rather than the mobile app. Log into your account and click the arrow in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Click Settings to go to the main settings page. In the left-hand menu, look for and click on Language and Region. This will open a page with several region-related settings. To change your region, find the setting labeled Region or Country. Facebook may display your current region based on your IP address. Click Edit next to the region setting. A drop-down menu will appear allowing you to select a new country or region from a long list. Choose your desired location from this list below this. You may also see settings for language, date and time format, and number format, which you can adjust separately to match your new region. After selecting your new region, you must click Save Changes at the bottom of the section. Facebook may ask for your password to confirm this change. Your region setting will update immediately. This change can affect the content, ads, and marketplace listings you see, tailoring them to the selected region. Note that your IP address may override this setting for some features, and certain regional content restrictions may apply. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.